Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, so today I want to teach you how to make Indomie fried noodle. This is very simple to make because every day, every morning, maybe people breakfast eating this because it's so easy to make. So first of all you need is a pan for it to cook. The second, of course, you need a noodle, and additional, you could add an egg too. And another, the scissors, a spoon, and a fork, and a bowl. Okay, first, add a quarter pot of water, okay? Don't too much, if it's too much, then it takes so long to boil the water. Actually, we don't need the water. All we need is to boil the noodle, to cook the noodle. So we don't need so much water. Okay, now it's time for we wait the water to boil. Okay, as you can see, the water is start to boiling, and lower the heat of the pan first, and then here's an egg. So I want to make a poached egg. So poached egg is cooking in an egg on a boiling water with the egg. It's different than the boiled. The boiled egg, you cook it with the cells. And, while cooking the egg, open the noodle. And wait till the eggs are cooking. Okay, it looks like the egg is almost cooked, so we put the noodle inside of it. While we wait the noodle and the eggs to cook, we put the seasoning first on the bowl. So there's two. There's an oil and a ketchup, and there's some MSG, a flavor seasoning. And don't mess things up because you don't want your mom to be angry. Okay, done. And don't forget to flip the noodle because it's cooked sideways. Yes, like that. Usually, it don't take so much time. It's only take like 2 or 5 minutes. Depends on how you want your noodle to be. For me personally, I want the noodle to be soft because it tastes wonderful. So we just wait. Okay, it's likely the noodle is ready. So for a newbie, you can use a strainer to drain the water. But because every day I usually eat this, so here's my way. So first of all, turn off the heat. Okay, so you use a fork and you just take it out like this. Yeah, you just take it like this. Very efficient. You don't need other tool. Don't forget, take out the egg. You can use the spoon to take out the egg. So inside, mix it very well. And there you have it, Indomie fried noodle. Simple, easiest, and don't take much money from your wallet. And of course, make your stomach full. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. And of course, hope you learn how to make a fried noodle. Thank you so much for Sir Duta Dharma for giving this task. And I end this. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.